class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Wildcat seniors, I want to remind you that these last few weeks do not define your high school career. What does define your high school career are your friendships, experiences, years of learning, influential teachers, as well as life lessons that have prepared you for success. Please know that the Wheeler family, along with the entire Cobb County team of educators, have been thrilled to be a part of your journey. It is you who makes Cobb County School District and Wheeler High School great. And our teachers are proud of you, and you should be proud of what you have achieved. Now is the time for you to take the next step in your journey. We know you will succeed because we've already seen what you have accomplished. You are Cobb County Schools. You are Wheeler High School. Go Wildcats and conquer your dreams.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop
Hi everyone, it's Christian Battle, and I just want to encourage all of my seniors as we move on to the next chapter of our lives to not focus on the many things that we lost, but the amazing memories we created over these past 4 years. To every game, pep rally, homecoming, to every club and activity, to all the friends that we made. I just want to make sure everyone stays positive as we move on to the next chapter of our lives. And remember, go Wildcats.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop, never stop, never stop, never stop, never stop.
Hi everyone, my name is Kennedy Sutton. I just want to congratulate the class of 2020 for working their hardest these 4 years and to making it to the end. I know this isn't the ideal way of ending our senior year, but one thing's for sure, the class of 2020 will go down in history as the most talented, driven, and smart class Cobb County has come to know. I wish you all nothing but success and happiness in whatever life has next for you. Bye!
Never stop dreaming. Never stop. Never stop dreaming.